Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And I would like to welcome all of our Atomians. We have a lot of leaders here. We have our special guest from Korea, our country director, Mr. Sean Lee, and his team who really put all of this together for all of us to enjoy today. My name is Leah Manuka Manila. And today I am honored also to welcome our very special guest, Crown Master Si Nyok Choi, and his partner, Crown Master Ruby Hio. Well, tongue twisters, but the bee will have a buzzing news on everything until the end of the show, right? So today I'm very much honored to present to you the very first global sales, global sourcing Atomy product, which is the Manuka honey. Okay? So it's our very first. So Australians, why don't we give Atomy for giving us our very first GSGS product, our Atomy Manuka Premium Honey. Please give Atomy a big round of applause. Okay, first, let me tell you about the history of our Manuka honey. Manuka honey in Australia is natural, pure, and clean. Of course, it originated from Australia, one of the most pristine locations in the world. That's why we are all here, right? And it is the home to the healthiest bees in the world. So see how healthy I could be, right? Okay, now what are the benefits of honey? The World Health Organization recommends honey as one of our natural remedy, cough remedy. Remember, winter is coming, so we have to have, it is a must-have product for all of us. If you haven't tried it, please give it a try this winter, okay? So Manuka honey, the phytonutrients, which are usually found in plants, protect plants from the harmful insects. So it shields from UV radiation, and in honey, antioxidant properties and antifungal properties. That's why it is a very good product to have on our health overall. So one of the product features is it contains various ingredients such as rich antioxidants, which can help improve overall health. It's natural, pure, clean, and originated from the Oceania, which is a pristine location. So Australia is a very clean, one of the cleanest continents of the world. Of course, with our Atomy Absolute price, this one is a high-grade Manuka honey, which means with the absolute price, it's only $160 Australian dollars for 2, and it comes with a wooden spoon. Or you can also have 1 to try for $80. So this is a must-have for all of us. Now, Manuka honey, based on the reliable, specialized sources that we are sure that we don't run out of our Manuka honey because we have a strict control during the whole production process, from the seed collection when the bee starts to sip into the nectar of the Leptospermum flower, which is the Manuka flower for common lay terms. Then they are certified through high quality control standards and continuous testing. So what makes our Manuka honey very special? It has a natural antibiotic. The measurement of getting the quality based on the methyl glyoxal, which is called the MGO. So when you see on the store, we have the MGO 830 plus. So the higher the number here, the better is the quality of our Manuka honey. So these plants grow best in Australia and New Zealand. So it produces the nectar for the bees to feed on and convert into Manuka honey containing MGO, which stands for methyl glyoxal. It is the antibacterial compound property of Manuka honey, which is based on the Australian Manuka Honey Association. So it is found and converted from the nectar of the flower, the Manuka flower, and it has a higher concentration. So the higher the concentration equals stronger antibacterial properties. Now, what is MGO and UMF? So Australia Manuka Honey Organization rates the quality and the effectiveness of our Manuka based on the MGO, which is the methyl glyoxal property, and the dihydroxyacetone, which is the DHA, not the same DHA that we have with our fish oil. Now, based on the UMF, it is the unique Manuka factor. This is the way the New Zealand are basing their criteria on the quality of their Manuka honey. So that's the difference between the two. So the higher it is, like ours is MGO 830, that means we have the super premium one, and it's good for our digestive health. In fact, if we have IBS or any issues for the gut, our Manuka honey is really a must-have to have. And the rest, if it's lower than the 830 plus MGO, then they are just good for everyday sweetener. It could be added to our salads and our pastries. For general well-being, we have MGO 263. Okay, so it means that our Manuka honey is independently certified concentrated 830 milligrams per kilogram of methyl glyoxal. Okay, so you have it there. And the levels of MGO in regular honeys are low, from 5 plus, 10 as you see there, 16 plus, and our UMF factor is 20 plus, which is equivalent to the MGO of 830 plus. Okay, so what are the benefits of high-grade Manuka honey? Of course, because of the antibacterial properties, it is one that we needed most to maintain our healthiest energy source, and also based on the supplier that we have, because of the partnership with the Australian Manuka Honey Association, which is funded by the Australian government, agricultural government, we are very lucky to have this product made here in Australia. So collaborative research of Manuka honey cultivation between Australian National Park and Australian universities. So Manuka research facilities and professional research personnel, every batch of our Manuka honey, rest assured, is thoroughly tested and has certificates issued for every production. So we are very proud, right? So why don't we give our Atomi Manuka honey a big round of applause? So we have all the certificates, as you see, from the AMHE mark of authenticity, the MGO certificate, original food labeling, HACCP, the Global Safety Food, the BRC certification, and of course, it is also halal. So how good is that, right? So for the absolute price and quality that we have, Atomi Manuka honey is one of the best. So Atomians, Australians, and our guests, so please have a try of our Manuka honey. So I'm hoping that you find the greatness of our very own Manuka honey with the MGO 830 plus. Let us all make this product a part of our daily life. Take it for a healthier you. I'm hoping that everybody will have a great time today. My name is Leah. My middle name now becomes Manuka Manila, your honeybee from Sydney, Australia. Thank you, everyone.